So I've asked you this in 2022, and investors have been asking this almost all year. When is the market going to rebound? And have we seen that?
So the biggest mistake that the Fed has made over the last 40 years is pivoting too soon, right? And pivoting, we think of instead of raising rates, they're able to cut rates. And from all of the things and all of the press meetings that Fed Chair Powell has had, it seems that this particular Fed is very, very determined not to make that same mistake. So right now with the S&P 500 approaching, kissing that 4,000 point level in the S&P 500, one would think that this is probably a good time to get a little bit more defensive. And the reason for that, right? Earnings per share, the estimates to start the year were $225 per share. If you use a multiple of 18 times, you arrive at around 4,000. If this earnings season, we see earnings come down a little bit, expectations come down a little bit, earnings per share estimates drop to something like $215 per share. And if there is a recessionary environment because of that decrease in earnings, that market multiple could drop to something like 15 times earnings. And if that's the case, we could see a pretty severe pullback. A lot of times it might feel like 2022 all over again.
Stonebriar Wealth Management, advisors for your life.
This is not an offer to buy or sell securities. No investment process is free of risk, and there is no guarantee that the investment process described herein will be profitable. Investors may lose all of their investments. Past performance is not indicative of current or future performance and is not a guarantee.